Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka the Workman's Pomp, aka your mom's favorite psychologist. Ha, got him. Today I am back with another review, or should I say reviews. I'm going to be talking about the light hold and medium hold oil base by Faith and Integrity. Faith and Integrity is a homebrewed brand from Chicago. What makes these products unique is that they're oil-based products with good endurance, good smell, good hold, with very little ingredients. I know most oil-based have very little ingredients, but you would be surprised. They have good reslickability, good restylability, and good endurance overall for both of these actually. I wanted to talk about the light and the medium because I've been using them for a while now, and they're very similar in the way that they work. So I figured I'd talk about both of them at the same time. So anyways, here we go. Also, I wanted to state I got these new awesome tins. I guess I should say jars. I was using samples and jars from their old products. So I got the updated stuff. And I think that the look overall is a lot cooler and a lot slicker, easier to stack on your counter too. So I always enjoy these types of jars. When you open it up, you can see it's kind of like, this is the medium, the blue is the medium. And I haven't dug into this one yet, just primarily for the fact that I wanted to show you, because oil-based usually, they differ when you do the top layer. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to use right out of the top layer. When you open it up, it's kind of just a clear, almost white looking consistency color look. The scent on this is like a sweet semi-spicy sandalwood. At least that's what it is to me. I always interpret the scents, so you can go look up on their website and see what they describe it as. But it's almost like a spicy sandalwood with a slight vanilla undertone. It's really nice. I like it a lot, and it's subtle. Scoopability on this, so you can see you got on the top layer, you got to put in some pressure. But for this type of product, the top layers are always a little bit firmer, but this is actually not a lot of pressure to get this out just on the top layer too. Here's what it looks like when you scoop it. So for this particular pomade, I'm not going to use a lot because you don't need a lot for a this particular brand, so to speak. I think they give really good hold, really good slickability. Normally for me, I cake it on, but this stuff, I feel like you just need a little amount. Oops, I didn't break that piece down. That's my fault. So this type for me is, it kind of goes in like a, kind of reminds me of Pomp's Not Dead OG, how it goes in, So really easy, and it feels really slick when I put it in. But overall, it's very easy to manage with. It's not one of those oil-based that you're going to be ripping the top of your hair out. Now, one thing I want to say, when I am putting this product in, you will see that my hair is kind of popping out all crazy. I just got a short haircut recently, and my hair, since it's been, longer, has been trained to go a certain way. So sometimes if you get a more dramatic cut than what you're used to, your hair might have a mind of its own, so to speak. You know what I mean? So see how it kind of wants to pop up in the back? If that does happen, you can always apply more product. So kind of just a little side note, you know what I mean? If you're having issues with a new haircut and you're like, why isn't this working? Then there you go. That's your answer. And when your hair grows out a little bit longer, it'll work a lot better. Slicking this back is a breeze, really easy, really, really, really slick and easy to work with. I'm gonna part this real quick. All right. See if I got it the first try. Yep. So the thing I like about the Faith and Integrity pomade is that it stays, I wouldn't say it stays greasy, but it stays easy to deal with. There's some mediums that are really waxy. And I should say the ingredients, they are the same on both the light and the medium. petroleum, beeswax, castor oil, microcrystalline wax, olive oil, and fragrance. So the petroleum gives it the slickness. The castor oil and the olive oil are going to help overall just with managing the beeswax and the microcrystalline wax. Normally, I've said this in the past, waxier products drive me nuts. But this stuff works pretty good. You get a nice hold from it. I'm getting nice shape with it already. And the buildup on it, because it comes off as a slicker product, comes out really, really nice and clean. Now, like I said, don't judge my flyaways. I got a new haircut and my hair is getting used to it. You see, this is one thing, is that sometimes your hair just wants to always go, well, the way that you've trained it, so to speak. But this is also just a reminder, if you do use waxier products, this stuff will pop your short sides out if you don't put enough in. And that's kind of like a thing that waxier products do. So overall, the medium, really easy to put into the hair, really easy to use. I've been using it for a long time now. Like I said, I sampled the products, he sent me some stuff, and then I bought his full line when he did this. So I don't really consider this like a paid thing. This is just my opinion. I'm not influenced at all. I bought all the products. I'm not influenced if people give me free products, but you know, I guess I would feel less influenced because I bought everything, but I never really feel influenced. I always give people a warning. I'm like, if I don't like this stuff, this might be, you know, I'm not gonna post it. But anyways, I like this stuff. So the light, same color, same scent, a lot easier than the medium to scoop out. I'm gonna just put a little top layer on here, but I just wanted to show you. So the difference between the light, obviously, that being lighter, breaks down easier, applies easier, adds shine to your hair, which I'm gonna put in this because I wanted to do this as a topper. You can see the shine already. But the difference between the light and the medium feels like, to me, a true medium, in that it's like right in the middle. Even though it's waxier, it's like right in the middle. For me, the light, I would say, is above a true light, meaning you can get, it's like on the higher side of a light, meaning you can get some excellent shine and hold out of it, surprisingly. And it's the same exact ingredients, like I said before, petroleum, beeswax, castor oil, microcrystalline wax, olive oil, and fragrance, in the same exact order. It's just the combination is in a lighter hold. The proof is in the pudding on the side. So, as a light product, a lot of people kind of shy away from light products, I've realized. I've noticed when I talk to brewers too, they'll say that their lights don't sell, they don't go off as much, you know, they don't fly off the shelf, which is a disappointment because I think lights have their place. I think they're really good. For me, I use a light like a light like this is really nice if you already have oil-based buildup in your hair. You don't have to apply a ton more product in. You can just put this stuff in, and it adds a good amount of weight while adding shine and reinvigorating your past style. So, to me, a good light, such as this, I feel like can be used to make your hairstyling throughout the week like just so much easier and better. And actually, just to show you that this stuff, you know, isn't hard to deal with, like that you can get tall. I'm just going to work after this. I'm wearing my casual stuff, I'm wearing my Master Kim Fighter and the Kid podcast stuff, but which is cool because I can wear casual stuff from time to time. So I'm not gonna do a crazy hairstyle like this. I try to, when I go to work, keep it low and tight, but look, you can still get, like, you can still pop it up and it'll stay like that. The feel of this stuff in your hair, even with a light in it, so the medium, both of them just by themselves feel like really light and airy, but they retain their hold. So that's one of the unique characteristics that I care for, that I like about this product, is that sorry, I am clearing my throat a lot this morning. I apologize. But one of the things I really like about this product is that for me, you can get the hold of an oil base, the longevity of an oil base, and the overall restylability and endurance of an oil base. But you can get the airiness and the lightness feeling of having a unorthodox water base in your hair. Because this product, the way that the ingredients are, it's just nice and slick and stays airy in your hair. So that's one thing I really like about this. That's gonna do it for me. I got a shorter, safer, work-safe Pomp now. So overall, what do I think about the Faith and Integrity medium and light? Well, I think they're both solid. I think they both have surprisingly good hold, especially for a medium and for a light. I think they have good longevity. I think that they feel light, breezy, easy in the hair. I think that you'd be surprised. If you're looking for some new oil-based to check out, I really think that you're gonna like these, especially if you're a seasoned oil-based fan. And also, if you're just kind of looking for a new product to try out, and maybe you're used to using like clays or some other stuff, I think that you can't go wrong with a product like this if you apply it very, very in small amounts, which it does say on the side. It says warm up the product by breaking it down in your hand and put dime size amounts. As you saw, I put, well, silver dollar size amounts in my hair. But if you layer this stuff in, it works really, really well. It works well if you glob it in too, like me, but you know, sorry, my hair is kind of going a little bit wacko today. But I love the shine, especially with the light added. I love the restylability. I love how it feels light in the hair, like I was saying. Overall, I really love these products. For me, I would give these, both of them, the oil-based just in general, if I had to rate just the light and medium oil-based, I would give these both 4.4 out of 5. 4. These are both great products. When I say 4, it sounds kind of like the guy from Altered Beast. It's like, so anyways. But yeah, they're both great. I think you should try them out. Especially if you like oil-based. I think that these are a new addition. You know, some oil-based come out, they feel like every single other one. I like that these, the characteristic of Faith and Integrity would be the longevity and hold of an oil base with the lightness and reworkability of an unorthodox water base. So that's what I like, the lightness, even though you still get strong hold from these two. So anyways, guys, wanted to add, I was given a code that you guys can use on your orders. It's Workman, and that's for 10% off your order. So, you know, if you're kind of on the fence, you should definitely put the code in. And might I ask, or add, is if you're on the fence as well, they have a 2-pack that is relatively cheap for what you get. You can pick 2 of any of his 3 products that he has out now. So for me, if you're looking, maybe you want to try, you know, both the oil-based, do the 2-pack. You're saving, and then with the code, you'll be saving more. So anyways, guys, I hope you have a great one. If you have any questions, concerns, whatever, put them in the comments below, and have a good one.